Are you tired of poor fuel efficiency? Do you want to save money on gas? Let's identify and fix the low fuel mileage. The first thing is spark plug. Spark plug 30,000 mileage would not. Spark plugs can decrease fuel efficiency by up to 30% cases engine misfire and reduce performance. Replace them with platinum or iridium spark plugs for better calibration. Dirty fuel injectors reduce fuel flow, leading to poor mileage and decrease engine power. Clean or replace them with high flow fuel injectors to restore optimal fuel flow. MAP sensor. A faulty manifold absolute pressure sensor can cause your engine to run rich, wasting fuel and decreasing mileage. Check and replace it if necessary. Oxygen sensor. A malfunctioning oxygen sensor can decrease fuel efficiency by up to 20%, causing engine performance issues. Replace it with a high quality sensor to maintain optimal air fuel ratio. Catalytic converter. A blocked catalytic converter reduces engine performance, fuel efficiency, and increase emissions. Inspect and replace it for needed, ensuring smooth exhaust flow.